I have lovely guests arriving with their young daughter today, and so I've been primping and polishing up a deer cottage, sweeping paths, making sure that there's no mulch on the path, because you all know about my pesky chickens. Hopefully by the time our guests arrive that will be okay, done and dusted. I've got the lovely clock miniature. They have a toddler, so I've got the high chair, the flowers, the fruit. If you've liked what you've seen, please watch a full episode 8:30 p.m. New Zealand time Saturday. Take care for now.